Hello, my name is Visan Jung. In this video, I will explain what I learned from the Getting to Know Unity tutorial after completing the Require Unity Essential training section from 1 through 5 and 8 through 10 and section 15. First, this is the hierarchy window. The hierarchy show all the game object in the current scene. When I select an object here, as information appear in the inspector. Next, this is the inspector window. The inspector allows me to view and edit the select object component and including transform values such as position, rotation, and scale. In the same view, I can move around using the mouse and keyboard to navigate the scene. And I can use the move, rotate, and scale tool to adjust object directly. In the project window, I will create a new folder to organize script. I right click, select create, and then folder and name it like script. Inside the script folder, I create a new C# script. When I double click, the script is open in the Visual Studio, where Unity scripts are written and edited. Uh, After completing all the required section, including packaging your scene in the section 15, I have a better understand of how to Unity organize object, asset, and script, and how Visual Studio work together with Unity. Thank you for watching.